Hello everyone, it's Dino, and happy Thanksgiving! Yay! Well, my time, I'm just gonna be searching up Gacha Life Cringe, Gacha Planets, I meant. Cause, I really don't have anything else to do. Yippee! So, mainly, soonly it won't be pretty much Gacha, cause it's gonna be something like this. It's gonna be something like this. It's so cringe, but that would be on for later. Also, what I say about bad about Earth, that it's current is we shouldn't save it. I'm just joking about it. Please do not take it seriously, even though it's not even funny. But please do not take it seriously. Thank you. Anyways, oh god. This looks like Earth-chan. Well, this one does. It looks like a mistake. And why does Jupiter... but why... What? Oh god. What is this? What is this? What is this? Jesus, man. Bruh. We're about to hit the girls vs boys singing battle in the middle of this. God, this gonna be so cringe. She's so cute. It was time for Thomas to leave. My god, who keeps on texting me? Hold up. Oh my god. Okay, sorry, I had to interrupt because I really want to know what the hell's going on. I'm going back. Yo, are we gonna forget about what Mars just said? The edginess guy? I want to see. Okay, hold up. What is he singing about, man? Nope. I don't know if that's copyrighted, but I don't want to be copyrighted. Yay! Yay! Jesus Christ. I'm gonna view the comments because I'm too late. Never mind. Okay, well, let's see. I'm too lazy. Where's Puto? They forgot about Puto. Again. It's actually everything. Oh. I went to the end of the. What in the world? Why is everyone so surprised? Moon and Uranus is like demons. What's so surprising about this idiot? Mars is an idiot. An edgy boy. Yes. Yes, could've tuned an ad. What a beautiful way. The solar system song. What? Moonlight cactus. Cactus. I am the sun. Okay, goodbye. I will like to go to hell. I am a burning full of fire. Very big indeed, yes. You're literally just hell. Actually, Earth will die soon. Fun fact. Oh jeez, now we're just putting, I am Mercury. Yes, you are Mercury. And the closest planet to the sun. But actually, fun fact, you're not the hottest. You're not the hottest of one, cause Venus is actually the hottest one. And the hottest planet. Please tell me. Oh god. I am the same size as the Earth, but I'm spin the other way. And much more slowly. At least we're not dead. Have no water. I am Venus. I am Venus. I'm gonna call this guy trash. because it's full of trash. The planet where we all live, we actually don't live there. This is land, this is lots of sea. My eyes hurt! I have a moon, but you don't have like... Wait, doesn't Saturn has the most moons? I think Saturn has the most moons. I don't know. I am Mars. I don't want to sit through this. I'm the close. So it's a bit of what in the world? But I don't want to go. What's up with wolves? I am going to step on Lego. Yo, yeah. We need to stop this right now because animals are dying. Everything is dying. Let's talk about 2020, shall we? Because of plastics. First, I thought she was gonna say you. Plastics. That's probably it. Pollution. You just searched that up, didn't you? Didn't you just search it up? Devastation. Searched up. It's the way of life. We need to stop this. Is this only about animals? Can we talk about this in 2020? You will learn one day. You will learn. 2020 is a disaster. Also, if we don't change our actions, who's gonna listen to a gotcha person? I'm gonna like. Okay, so I'm just gonna imagine like, oh, we'll save the planet from a gotcha person, and we're just gonna be like, oh yeah, let's follow this kid's actions. Let's do whatever. Yeah. Image alert. That's California. Yeah, that's California. Actually, isn't like that everywhere? That's pretty much everywhere, I'm sorry, but it's pretty much everywhere. Oh, this is 2020! Wait, wasn't 2020? Wait, when did COVID come along? What? 19, what? I'm not... You just scribbled that. Oh, plastic be like 41, what? I really don't know what you're talking about, lady. I'm Mia. This was me, probably. Oh, what was that? What? We'll probably just search that up later on. What is this? Why is that the thumbnail? Yo, why does he look like a fanboy, though? He or she, whatever, but he or she looks like a fanboy. I'm sorry, but she looks like a fanboy. I'm very sorry. Not used to male hair. That's 2012, idiot. We're in 2020. Actually, in your time zone was 2019. 2019. I like how they just widened the tiger, like, stretch. I like that. They just tried to find someone on Google. They really tried, man. I like how they say, oh, save the earth, people, even though they don't do crap. How are you flooding your house and use? Oh wow. So sad. Save me, yummy. Who's yummy? Yummy, yummy, yum. Yo, what's this? 2020? First video, blah blah blah, I can't read. Jeez, okay, yummy. I really hope this isn't her character. And how is Earth supposed to be your imaginary friend? Earth isn't real. Earth is what we live. What is going on here, my guy? My name is Earth. You promised me one. Of course. Do you not know what Earth was? Will you protect me? No, I won't. Was this supposed to be yes? Yeah. I'll just keep that later on because I am too lazy to do a thing because also my time is running out. Yes, but also yeah, happy Thanksgiving. Don't take any jokes literally that is said. And yeah, so happy Thanksgiving. Yeah.